this is for station wear, so things like their towels, dust rags that we clean with, station uniforms, mattresses, mattress covers, those kind of things will be laundered in this area. Hallway with a, let's go through here. Just a linen closet. Like I said, laundry room. So these are the individual bunk areas. This is where the firefighters sleep. Each bunk area will get a bed, a small desk and chair, so that they can keep their sleeping stuff. Right outside of here, outside of each door is a locker system. There's 3 lockers in each, 4 lockers in each, 2 on each side, so that they can keep their gear. Right now we have 3 at this station. We're planning on adding a 4th person to this station, so we planning for the future. We added extra bunk areas. Right across from the bunk areas is the personal shower. So it'll be a stand-up shower, restroom, and commode in each one of these.
And how many of those do you have?
There's 3 restrooms.